Hi friends, my name is Farooq Bunny. I am Associate Production Engineer at Yahoo. These are the 5 packages which has been sent by Yahoo as a part of my onboarding kit. It's a MacBook Pro new one. 2022. I've obviously opened it for my office purpose. It consists of a power adapter and lightning cable.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch.
This is a Dell 4K LED 180-degree monitor which costs around 70,000.
All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
I've opened it initially. I'll just show you what are the things. This is the Magic Keyboard. The prices will be reflected on the top. This is the 3.5 mm earphones jack. This is a Magic Keyboard. Multi-port adapter. Magic mouse, Apple Magic mouse. This is the UV key from Yahoo. So I'm going to keep it aside. This is all about the package too. So I will show you one by one. This is a Magic Keyboard. It looks very nice and smooth. It's a Bluetooth wireless one. So it costs around 9,500, 10,000 in India. Now the Magic Mouse. Sleek design. Bluetooth wireless one. It consists of some notes and C-type cable again. It costs around 7,000 in India, 7,000 to 8,000. The prices will be reflected on top of the corner. The next product I will show is the adapter, USB-C to digital AV adapter. It's a simple product. HDMI, it consists of HDMI, C-type and a USB. And this is C-type which connects to a laptop. This is the 3.5 mm AirPods headphone plug. It consists of a manual and 6 earphone. I'm not opening everything, it will take time.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear.
So the goodies I think so. Looks nice. Yahoo bag. North Face bag, which costs around 14,000. See what are the things inside. Here we get a stainless bottle. The Yahoo branding in it. The pen. Get a pen. Branding. Nice pen. It consists of a Yahoo diary. Write down notes. Also consists of a iPhone USB-C power adapter. It consists of a AirPods Lightning connector for iPhone. This is all about package 3. Finally, the fifth package. I will just show you a slide. The fifth package. It consists of an iPhone. I'll give you the disclosure in the next video. So follow me, subscribe me, and like the video and share more.
Sum total is about 4,70,200. Thank you Yahoo for such a wonderful onboarding kit.